Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the Amazon Flex error 403. So the first thing you can do is go to your phone settings and look for storage. And after you go to your storage, scroll down a bit and you'll see the Amazon Flex app. So I'll just show you the process with another app. You have to do it for the Amazon Flex app. So after you get your Amazon Flex app, just click here on offload app. After you are done offloading your app, basically offload means deleting your app. So after you're done offloading, just click here on reinstall your Amazon Flex app and your Amazon Flex will be reinstalled again. What it will do is verify the integrity of your Amazon Flex app files, and it will repair any missing files as well, and it will also update the app. So after this, another fix you can do is go here to your dashboard and you can change your Wi-Fi settings. Like if you are on Wi-Fi, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and go to cellular data and vice versa. So if your problem still persists, the issue might be that you might have refreshed Amazon Flex many times to see how many blocks pop up. So you might be banned temporarily. So what you can do is wait for a few hours and your problem will be fixed. So that's it with the video. Thanks for watching guys and take care.